Hello, team. Today, I want to share some important updates from our CEO, Luis von Ahn. Recently, Luis shared an email that emphasized Duolingo's commitment to become AI first. This is a pivotal moment for our company. Why does this update matter? AI will transform how we operate. We will enhance efficiency and scalability while meeting user demand. Here are 3 key points to understand. 1. We will phase out contractors for tasks suited for AI. 2. New hires will only be considered if automation isn't feasible. 3. Employees' AI usage will be a factor in performance reviews. Moving forward, please embrace AI tools in your work. Consider how AI can optimize your tasks. In summary, we're transitioning to an AI-first model to stay competitive. This shift aims for efficiency and quality improvements. Let's stay committed to our values of innovation and growth as we navigate this change together. Thank you.